Hello, ladies. Welcome to Paula's beautiful condominium in Kihei. We're going to have so much fun talking about Chris Cleve. Chris Cleve is 38 years old, and did you know he lives in London with his wife and 3 children? A little birdie told me that just before I ate him. Little Bee is his second novel, but they don't call it Little Bee in England. Oh, no. They call it The Other Hand. Did you know that Chris Cleve used to work in a bar? Yes, he worked in a bar. He was also a long-distance sailor and a teacher of marine navigation. Well, here's my take on Little Bee. It has a constantly surprising plot and a beautifully written but not overblown lyricism. You know, it's just like this. There is little to dislike about this novel, and there's little to dislike about Chris. He's squeaky clean. Come on, let's go to the beach unexpectedly.